my apple carrot juice. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As promised in my previous lives, I promised to make you some apple carrot juice today. Alright, so the apple that we have picked from the tree is here, guys. I've not eaten them off, they're right here. So we're going to mostly use these apples today. And guys, these apples are OTET and it's our Jamaican apple. Alright, so it's red, juicy, and nice. Alright, so I have some here already washed. I'm gonna cut them up and use them today. And I have some carrots that I will be using and ginger. So this is gonna be all natural juice. This is my juicer ready to juice, and I have my bowl ready to catch the juice. So here I'm gonna use the carrot peeler to peel the carrots. So I'm gonna get started. So guys, before I go, remember to like, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Do remember to check out my new channel, which is Aunt's Kitchen and More. Subscribe to that channel. I will leave the link in my description. And remember guys, continue to support, and I thank you all for supporting my channel. Thank you very much. I'm grateful. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna get off the skin from the and guys, remember carrots are good for your eyesight, so it's a good combination. I could also do the apples by itself, but one of these days I'll do that too. But I just feel to mix it today. Alright? To get some carrot in my system. Alright? Like to help the blender, so I cut them in the bigger ones in two. I'm gonna cut this too. And ginger. Let's just get this out of the way. And then I'm gonna show you how I'm going to use these apples. So it's all natural, no water. So I'm not going to be getting like a big jug, but I'm gonna get like a soap, which is so healthy and refreshing. So these are the apple. So I'm gonna remove the seed. I cut them in quarters. Some of them are burst, most of them burst because we couldn't catch all of them. Okay. You have to remove the seed. You cannot blend through the seed, so these apples, guys. So tempting. These little black ones, guys, they are so sweet. Look. Real sweet. Oh, can I allow those juicy ones to make juice when I can have them? Oh my God. So sweet, guys. You know, this juice goes, if you don't have enough, you won't get enough juice when you're using a juicer. Yeah. I think I can use these now, guys. What do you think? I believe I can use this amount now and get something real strong and nice. I believe so. So we'll get started. So I'm gonna get started, guys. And there you have it, guys. Finally, my apple carrot juice. Woo. Finally, guys. So I'm gonna get some ice cube and then I'm gonna taste my juice. All right? Okay. So I'm gonna taste my juice now, guys. Look at it. So delicious. Let's taste it from some cute ice. Man. Allow it to chill and then drink. Guys, this is delicious. All natural water, everything came from the fruit and the vegetable. What can I say? This drink is delicious. Go ahead and try it today, guys. You will love it. All right? Cheers.